In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services, scroll down to click on Autofill with Google, and tap on Google Password Manager. Now tap on one of your passwords you wish to edit, and after entering your login method, hit Edit button. Then change whatever you want to. And when you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!